Hello friends, here's the Mayuri back with a new video on a brief history of Java. James Gosling, Mike Sedian, Patrick Norton, then Chris Worth and Ed Frank initiated Java language in 1991. My dear friends, Java is a general-purpose, object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystem of USA in 1991. Originally called Vogue by James Gosling, that means before Java, the first name was a Vogue, and one of the inventor of a language that is James Gosling originated called Vogue. Java was designed for the development of software for consumer electronic devices like TVs, VCRs, toasters, and such other electronic machines. The goal had a strong impact on the development team to make the language simple, portable, and highly reliable. The Java team, which included Patrick Norton, discovered that the existing language like C and C++ had limitations in terms of both reliability and portability. However, they molded the new language Java on C and C++, but removed a number of features of C and C++ that were considered as a source of problem, and thus made Java a really simple, reliable, and a powerful language. My dear friends, now here are some list of some important milestones in the development of Java. In 1990, Sun Microsystem developed special software that could be used to manipulate consumer electronic devices. A team of Sun Microsystem programmers headed by James Gosling was formed to undertake this task. Then, in 1991, after exploring the possibility of using the most popular object-oriented language C++, the team announced new language named Oak. Then, in 1994, the team developed a web browser called Hot Java to locate and run applet program on internet. Hot Java demonstrated the power of the new language, thus making it instantly popular among the internet users. In 1995, Vogue was renamed to Java. As my dear friends, I told you, Vogue was the first name and it was renamed in 1995 Java, as it is said it's the name of a copy which James Gosling used to drink. And my dear friends, if you see the symbol of Java, it's a symbol of a coffee. Java is just a name. Many popular companies, including Netscape and Microsoft, announced their support to Java in 1995. In 1997, Sun releases Java Development Kit 1.1, which is nothing but JDK 1.1. 1998, Sun releases the Java 2 with the version 1.2 of this SDK, which is nothing but Software Development Kit. In 1999, Sun releases Java 2 platform, Standard Edition and Enterprise Edition. In 2000, J2SE with SDK 1.3 was released. In 2002, J2SE with SDK 1.4 was released. In 2004, J2SE with JDK 5.0 instead of JDK 1.2 was released. So my dear friends, this was a brief history of Java, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.